Sherwin from the Electro Industries Technical Support. I have here in my screen the four types of CTs that Electro Industries sells. We have two types for split core CTs and two types for solid core CTs. If you take a look at the table, it differs, although it has the same ratios. For example, in the split core, the SP series and the WC series, they may have the same ratio, but they have different accuracy and burden. So depending on your application, you may have to choose between each type of CDs that we have. And in these sheets, I have uh, drawn or illustrated how these CTs are to be installed in an actual installation. For example, I have here the SP series. SP series, what are the things that we need to remember in installing this type of CT? First, we have here the white dot. The white dot, it tells us that this should be facing the line side. Okay, and SP series has lead wires coming out of it colored white and black. Okay, two things to remember: the dot here facing the line side, and the white wire goes into the uh, high side of the meter, high side terminal. White wire goes to high side, black wire goes to the low side. And those are applicable also to other type of meters that we have, either the Nexus 4050 or the Nexus 1500. In the same manner, in the WC series, things to remember: the white dot, and this one, although it doesn't have the lead wires, it has the X1 terminals here at the bottom part or this part. Now, to make it uh, memorable or easy to remember, just use two colored wires, white and the black. In the same manner, in the SFT series, it doesn't have a dot, a white dot here, but you can look for the H1 marking. H1 marking means high side, and X1 marking for the X1 or the high side on the meter terminal. And the REO series, we have here lead wires and another H1 marking on one of its faces. So you have to look for that H1 marking so that it will be facing the line side, and the lead wires white and black. White goes to the high side. I hope you learned something on this short and quick video. And this is Sherwin from Electro Industries Technical Support.